Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Ellie!
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
Oh, Lanny's the bravest.
I am not angry.
No, you can use that anger to push through.
I said I'm not angry. On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! McQueen en persona. Un segundo, ya lo hice.
Y el rey sigue en la punta con una corta ventaja. McQueen.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite!
Actually, this is my good side here.
Licht kan overal zijn. Wel ten ruste!
Radiator Springs, the glorious jewel strung on the necklace of Route 66. The mother...
There's no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win.
Red?
Oh, is that right? Then why don't we just have a little race, me and you?
What just happened?
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that...
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why?
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz de los...
Tomica! And what's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And
Now that's a couple of rookies. I'm gonna call you Muddy Bridges, and you Lemonade.
Don't you? Oh, that? That's strategic. Air density and combustion.
You know, racing was the best part of his life, and when it ended...
don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
I'll take care of this. Dragon style!
Spinning dragon attack!
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Kid's just trying to be a hero, huh? Well, what do you think of this?
Mr. Axel Rod.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
No, it's all right. I just wanted to come down here and to personally... to get rocking. This is gonna be wicked.
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
Sweet pea, my baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo.
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking forward.
You won't talk me out of this, Mr. McQueen. I'm going back. I resign as your trainer.
All right.
Of course. All in all, must be finished for good.
Good to have you back, honey.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't the...
To fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, the guy left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up?
En route.
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Rat! Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.